cookies. Pretty good. Hi guys, it's Prince here. Today I'm gonna show you on how to make double chocolate chip cookies. Before we start, please click the subscribe button, like and share. This is gross, but once it's a cookie, it will taste good. For our dry ingredients, we need 1¼ cup of flour. Then 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Next is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Finally, we will add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we'll blend them well. Now that it's well combined, it's time to put in the chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. I'll put both of them. And mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to make the cookie dough into small balls. Guys, your cookie balls should have 2 centimeters apart from each other. We will bake them for 15 minutes. We already preheated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Guys, while we wait for our double chocolate chip cookies, I'm gonna do a story that I borrowed from school. It's about pets, ducklings. This is the front and this is the back. And this picture we will see at the book. And I'm gonna show you. This is Max. He lives in New York with his owner, Katie. Max and Katie love each other. Max is a lucky dog. But every day Katie leaves. Max's friends live in his building. They all hang out when their owners are not home. Gidget is a fluffy dog. She loves Max. Chloe is a fat cat. She loves to eat, but she does not like cat food. This chicken looks good. Yum. Time for dessert. Buddy likes back rubs. When his owner is out, our food mixer does the job. Mel does not like squirrels. She barks every time one goes by his window. And it's just like the picture back. See? And here. Katie comes back. Katie comes home with a surprise. Another dog will live with her and Max. His name is Duke. Max and Duke do not get along. Duke tries to get rid of Max. They get caught by a dog catcher and locked in a cage. A bunny helps get Max and Duke out, but now they are lost. Gidget is worried. She flies around on a hawk, looking for Max. Gidget gets all the pets to help. Where are Max and Duke? Max and Duke are in a sausage factory. The food is yummy, but they want to find their home. Now Max and Duke, when they get home to Katie, they are a happy family. Oh guys, our double chocolate chip cookies are done. Let me go get them. And guys, here's our soft, chewy double chocolate chip cookies. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, and share it with your friends and family. Bye.